In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your first espresso shot with your Ninja Luxe Café. In the previous video, I showed you how to make the coffee grounds, and in this one, we're gonna make the first espresso shot. So step one is gonna be removing that funnel that was used in the last, and then we're gonna locate this portafilter. And to do that, you just align the two orange dots. There's one on the handle, one on the base, and you start turning. I'm gonna put my camera down so I can use both hands. But you'll feel it grip in there, and then you literally just turn it till it's perpendicular with you. Once we have our portafilter located and installed, we're ready to turn this on. And it is going to give us all the options of the different types of like espresso or coffee. So whichever one you're intending on making, you literally just turn this dial and choose what you want. So we want espresso. And so at this point, I am ready to start my espresso, but you want to have your cup down there and ready. And it shows single or double. It's going to auto detect based off of the filter size that you have in there. So let's press start and have it go. And it also shows a loading bar as it's making it. And your espresso is now complete, and you have successfully made your first espresso shot on your Ninja Luxe Café.